Stop presenting, beta. Stop presenting. 6. Yes.
I made something.
Then show it to me. Show it.
Good
Yes, very
morning,
good.
everyone. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Please write
Good
your
morning,
fifth
ma'am.
A and B. Your first work is to
Dinka,
write your names. Write your names in the chat box. Those who are present, fifth A and B. Start writing your name. Those who are present, 19 are there. So I think 17 students are there. Write your names fast.
Manik Basha, stop presenting.
Manik Basha D. Okay. Fifth A Tejas. Fifth A Tejas Sujita.
Divya, who is Divya here?
Ma'am,
Sheila, stop.
happy Guru Purnima.
Sujita.
Stop presenting.
Sujita. Okay. Now, please write your name fast so that I can mark here. Okay.
Ma'am, D picture on likha, ma'am.
I have seen. Okay. Manu present. Manu. DP.
Present कर रहा है
Just Prahashit. Nayak. Don't present every time. Please. Nayak.
Ma'am, happy Guru Purnima.
It's over. Yes. It was on Sunday. It was on Sunday. But okay, same to you. Belated.
सर अभी क्या करना मैम?
Nivas. Write your name in the chat box so that I
EVS का
can.
करना है अभी.
Manu, I have marked.
Turn sign.
I'm happy Guru Purnima.
Okay. Same to you to
Are you
everyone.
listening, beta?
Kirtana.
Good
Kirtana. B Harshita.
Only
Good
20
morning.
people.
सारा
B
भी
Harshita.
म्यूजिक
Janani.
लिखना
बेटा नहीं EVS का EVS का है
Janani
ना तो
is coming
EVS
for the
का
first
ही
time.
करेंगे. ओके.
Janani is coming
टाइम
for the
टेबल
first
देखा है
time.
आपने? टाइम टेबल आपने अपनी
देखा है
नोटबुक
सर.
पे kindly note your
Sunishta.
timetable on in your notebook. Okay. Note your timetable
Sunishta.
in your notebook.
Reshma.
Please.
Bhavna. Reshma. Bhavna.
Dinka, stop presenting.
Trinesh.
Good morning,
Who is
sir.
Dinka? Please.
1, 2, 3,
Sorry,
4,
yes,
5,
sir.
6, 7, 8.
Good morning, sir. प्रेजेंट कर रहा है सर फिर से.
I have just got 15 names and 27 are here. Those who have not given,
Stop talking.
please.
सर उसको प्रेजेंटिंग रोकने के लिए बोला सर.
Stop presenting.
Mute yourself, everyone. Who is there? Chilla Sagar Divya. Who is Chilla Sagar Divya here?
Who is Dinkar? Please
Dinkar is Ishant.
stop presenting.
Ishant, stop
Otherwise,
presenting.
I will remove you. You're not listening.
G Rani, Jai Babu Sain, Shanmukh Sain.
And not responding. Who is Dinkar? Please
Ishant,
show me
Ishant.
your face. Show me your face. Ishant.
Ishant, yes, Ishant.
Ishant, beta, don't do
Kavita
that.
Rani,
Okay.
नायक है तो किरणमय
इसका लिखता सर.
EVS होगा अभी. Please mute yourself. मनु
मैडम वाला.
Kindly mute yourself,
Who
everybody.
is Maruti Bala?
30 students.
कविता किरणमयी.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Who is Ranjit Nayak here? Ranjit Nayak. Sandhya Roshni is very good. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Jana is there. Fiona.
Good morning.
Good morning. Dinesh, Manisha. Manisha.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning and mute yourself.
Arushi.
Mute yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Be ready with your previous notebook.
Okay, so we will be starting in 1 to 2
You
minutes.
will have
Okay.
textbook also.
Good morning, ma'am.
With
Jason.
your textbook and notebook. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning to everyone. Good morning. Okay, one
33
thing.
students.
Please tell me who is Chilla Sagar Divya here. Chilla Sagar Divya. Please write your name. I think it's from 5th A. And Maruti Bala also from 5th A. I have not marked their attendance. Please write your name. B Harshita. Okay,
Chilla
B.
Sagar Divya ma'am. Be her.
Okay, B Harshita. I have
Chilla
marked.
Sagar
I have marked B Harshita. Next is Maruti Bala. Maruti
Divya.
Bala.
Which Maruti Bala please put it on.
Ma'am, Sujita.
Maruti. Sujita. Sujita is okay. I have marked that also. Okay. Next, Kiran Mai. Who is Kiran Mai? Is it
Ma'am.
Nivas? Kiran Mai is Nivas? Okay, marked. Okay. So after 1 minute we will be starting. Just listen your names. Those who are present. If anyone is left, tell your name.
Present.
5th A, Bhavna, Harshita, Praharshita, Reshma, Rohita, G. Shrinika, Sujita, Fiona, Vishishta Vikrant, Ishan, Tejas. These are from 5th A. Anyone is left, they can tell me the name. And from 5th B, Jason Kaveri. Who is present?
Jay Roshni.
J. Roshni, I am telling. Wait.
Madam, Reshma is also there.
Reshma, I have marked. I have marked Reshma. Okay. 5th B, Jason, Kaveri, Kirtana, Manisha, Rakshita, Roshni, Sanashri, Sanvi Prasad, Sunishka, Arushi, Banu, DP, Dinesh, Manu, Shanmukh, Siddharth, Trinesh, Nayak, Nivas and Kasturi. These are from 5th B. So those who are left, you can send your names in the group. Okay, now we are starting up with our lesson. Okay? Okay? Kindly mute yourself now. Kindly mute yourself. All of you, please mute yourself. Yuva, okay, present. Yuva is present. Anyone else from 5th A and B? Those who are left. 5th A and B.
Hemant Singh is present, madam.
Good morning.
Hemant Singh is present. Please check. Janani is also there in 5th A. Janani.
If
Janani.
you are there, kindly respond. Mahesh Babu.
Likhitej is not here today. Likhitej.
Udashri, ma'am.
Likitej.
Uddeshri is also here.
I am sending the link to them. Okay, ma'am. Okay. One by one. Separately, I am sending.
So, shall we start? Or sir, I shall wait for 2 minutes.
36 students, ma'am. Wait for 3 minutes.
Well, let's wait for 2-3 minutes so that they can. I think they will join.
मैम पेंसिल से लिखना मैम.
Pencil. I will tell. Today we will complete our lesson, that is tasting to digesting. We have taken so much time we have spent on this. So today I will finish it up, and after this today you will get the question answer PDF. Kindly write that question answer in your notebook. Are you getting my point? 5th A and B.
Okay, ma'am.
I will send you the question. I will send you the question and answers. Just copy. Just copy it down in your notebook neatly. And second thing, you will get only one week time to complete your work. After 1 week, I will ask your work. Okay? Today I'll give you the question answer, and next Tuesday you will show me the work. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Good. So let's start now. Those who are left for the attendance, Rushda is present. Okay, Rushda.
Some students joined recently, madam.
Ma'am, Tarun sir, ma'am.
Tarun left.
Those
Tarun,
joined recently, kindly write your name in the
listen.
chat box.
Fifth,
Okay,
fifth A
the
and
chat
B.
box option is there. Write
Fifth
your name
A
there.
and B. Listen to me very carefully. As you join the class, not only this class, whichever class you join, your first work is to write in chat box your name that you are present. Are you getting my point? Fifth A and B.
Yes.
Just kindly do this small work as you join. Mute yourself
Yes,
and
ma'am.
write your name in chat box so that the teacher can come to know that you are present. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't have chat box, ma'am.
See the option there. Sanashri, above you will have three options at your
Everybody has.
screen. Okay. We have the chat option. You will get a box like messaging. J. Roshni marked. I have marked attendance. Shanmukh marked. Okay. Now let's.
Ashwita, 50.
Hashwita, she has joined now.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Akshara, 50.
Akshara, okay.
Hemant Singh is there.
Hemant
Hemant Singh,
Singh.
kindly respond if you are here. If you are there, if
Janani
you are
is here.
present in the
Janani.
class,
Janani is
kindly
coming
respond.
for the first time. Janani.
Ma'am.
Okay, good. Janani is here.
Janani from
50.
5th B.
50.
Okay, Janani.
Janani has come for the first time today. G Shrinika is here. G Shrinika 5th A. G Shrinika.
Yes,
Okay. Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Rahul sir is also there.
Okay.
sir.
So,
सारे टीचर्स एक साथ आए हैं क्लास में
please mute yourself.
Rahul sir, your voice is not clear.
So, let's take up with our
Rahul sir, use chat box.
Ruchika is here. Okay.
Chat box, sir, Rahul sir. Kindly mute yourself, everybody.
Okay, now let's take up with our class. Those who are
Rahul sir
left
is
for
going
the
to tell
attendance,
something.
we will. You can give that in group.
मदर का फोन है मैडम ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रहा है तो उसे आपको क्या करना है ना ऐड ईमेल आईडी भेजेंगी और ऐड में कर देना तो वो
सर,
ज्वाइन कर ले
आवाज नहीं आ रही है. कौन ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रहा
हेमंत
है?
सिंह का.
स्टीफन की मदर
स्टीफन.
Okay.
हाँ तो वो मेल भेजेंगे आपको व्हाट्सएप पर और ऐड ऐड आता है ना वहाँ पे डाल देना फिर वो ज्वाइन कर पाएंगे ठीक है ये उसके साथ
Okay, okay.
हाँ ये बता
मुझे भेजने को बोलो यार.
आप लिंक सर को भेज. ओके सर. ईशांत स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग. ईशांत स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग. Sir, shall I start or they will join?
Ah, yes, madam.
Shall I start? You admit, sir. You will admit ना. I am starting the presentation. आप join कर लीजिएगा.
Ah, yes.
Okay. So everyone, kindly mute yourself. Just wait for 1 minute. Wait. So, fifth AB, on my 5 count, please mute yourself. So, I will show you the chapter presentation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kindly mute yourself. Banu, mute yourself. Nagaraj God, who is Naga? Please stop presenting here. Connection. I don't know why this has been lost. Oh. What happened?
Sir, screen is not visible, sir.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
Sir.
Class 5th A and B. Please stop presenting. Reshma, stop presenting.
Ma'am.
Okay, I am presenting my screen. Kindly mute yourself. 5th A and B. Mute yourself.
Ma'am.
Mute yourself. 5th A and B. Mute yourself. Can you see the screen?
Himanshi, ma'am.
Yes.
Himanshi, ma'am.
Yes. बोलिए बोलिए कौन बोल रहा है? Yes, say.
Ma'am, your voice. Ma'am.
Is my screen with who is presenting this? Stop presenting.
Ma'am, your voice is stucking, ma'am.
Please.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is
It will please. It will be okay in 1 to 2 minutes. It will be okay. It will be okay. It will be okay in 1 to 2 minutes. Kindly don't repeat this. Let me present.
Start the class. Ma'am, start the class.
So please don't present yourself. Please let me present my lesson. Stop presenting and mute yourself. Kindly mute yourself. Can you see my screen here?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start with our class. Now mute yourself. I am starting with the class. Mute yourself. Okay. Last time we did a story of a soldier who was shot in the stomach. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you remember that the doctor who was the doctor who did experiment was Dr. Beaumont. Okay. Who was that doctor? Dr. Beaumont. Yes. What did he find out? What did he found out that? Oh, mute yourself. Mute yourself. What did he? नहीं अभी नहीं लिखना मैं बताऊंगी कब लिखना है. Don't ask these questions. Now focus on the chapter. Okay. Okay. What did he found out that digestion takes place faster in stomach? Where does the digestion takes faster? Tell me.
In the stomach.
Yes, food digests faster in stomach than in outside. Did you notice this table? In the table you would have seen the unboiled milk takes 2 hours 15 minutes and in the glass it takes 4 hours 45 minutes. Okay. Please don't say this voice is talking. You will be able to hear. Please mute yourself. I have to say this so many times. Mute yourself. On my 3 count, mute. On my 3 count, mute yourself. 3, 2, 1. Mute yourself. So next I will be taking up from here. Okay, I am reading it and I will read and I will explain you. 5th A and B. Please mute yourself. I don't want to repeat this. This is the problem with you. Our stomach churns the food to digest it. Now what do you mean by churns here? Churn means you would have seen at your home your mother makes that buttermilk, that is lassi. While making lassi, the mother churns the curd. Okay, mixing it hard. Churning is mixing hard. Okay, so stomach does the same thing. Stomach churns the food to digest. Mixing hard, that is churning. Okay, the doctor also saw that the food did not digest properly when Martin was sad. So when you are sad, the food doesn't digest properly. Please mute yourself, fifth A and B. Mute yourself. He also found out that the juice in our stomach is acidic. I told you about acidity in last class. Acidity. When you eat any stale food or the food is not digested properly, you get a burning sensation in your stomach. For to fix that burning sensation, you would have you take Eno. You have seen Eno pouches. That Eno helps to cure that acidity.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so acidity gives you a burning sensation in the stomach when the food is not digested properly or you eat any stale food. What is stale? Stale means basi. जब आप कोई बासी खाना खाते हो, that is old food, that is not good for the health. Okay, that you get, then you, yes, like junk food. Yes, very good. That gives you acidity. Okay, so have you heard of anyone talking about acidity, especially when the person has not eaten well or food is not digested properly? So when the food is not digested properly, you suffer from acidity. Dr. Beaumont's experiments became famous across the world. After this, many experiments did many such experiments. Now, Dr. Beaumont was the first scientist to do experiment on stomach. How does the food get digested? And in stomach, the digested food takes less time while outside. Okay. So what did you say so? No, they did not shoot people in the stomach, nor did they wait for a patient with a hole in the stomach. They used.
प्रेजेंट कर रहा है.
Who is presenting? Fifth A and B. Who is presenting? I am only presenting. Who is this? Chilla, Sagar, Divya. B. Harshita, stop presenting. I have to resume my presentation. Oof. This is the problem with you every time. I have. Mute yourself and keep yourself quiet. Don't present. Now can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I have to resume.
No, ma'am.
Resume. Wait, let me resume. Fifth A and B, kindly keep this in your mind. You don't have to present. Don't present anything. It will stop my presentation. Don't present anything.
मैम अब दिख रहा है मैम.
है ना? Okay. So this now.
Yes, ma'am.
This was the story of Dr. Beaumont. And where does the food digest faster? In stomach or outside? Stomach. Okay, very good. Next page is now this. Now we will take. Now our next topic is good food, good health. Good food, good health. Dr. Aparna has two patients. One is Rashmi and one is Kailash. Two patients are there. Dr. Aparna talked to them to find out more about them. Read what the doctor found. Okay, so this is Rashmi. This first picture, can you see? This is Rashmi. Who is she?
Yes, ma'am.
Rashmi. Okay.
Rashmi.
Rashmi is 5 years old. Now second picture is Kailash. This is Kailash and Kailash is 7 years old. Now with the picture you can see Rashmi is very weak and thin. Okay, she is very weak and thin. Next, Kailash is very fat and flabby. Yes, what are you saying? Kailash is fat and flabby and please mute your. Flabby means flat. What do you mean by fat? एक मोटा इंसान बोलते हो ना आप? मोटा होना, flabby. See his stomach here. It's very flabby coming out. Okay. So
screen is not visible.
Okay, so Rashmi is weak and thin, and Kailash is fat and flabby. Rashmi, now let's read about them. Rashmi is 5 years old and Kailash is 7 years old. She took about 3 years old. She looks about 3 years old. Now she is 5 years and she looks 3 years. Okay. She is very thin. She has very thin arms and legs and a pot belly. What is a pot belly? Stomach like a balloon. Her stomach is like a balloon. She often falls sick. She falls sick very fast. She always feels tired and cannot go to school regularly. She does not have strength even to play. Now she is very weak that she didn't have strength to play. Neither she is very active. She always feels tired. She always feels tired. She is not active. Food. Now what kind of food she eats? She is lucky if she can get a little rice or one roti to eat in a whole day. Now she just eat only one roti and little rice in a day. Whole day she eats only one roti. So think about the food, how much less she is eating. Okay. Now come to Kailash. He looks older than his age. Now he's 7 years old and he looks like older. He looks more. Okay. She is looking younger and he is looking older. His body is fat and flabby. He has pain in his legs. He is not very active. He does go to school by bus and spends many hours watching TV. Now what does he do? He always watches TV and goes school by bus. He is not active. Both the children are not active, but the case is she is very weak and he is very fat. Okay. Now what kind of food Kailash eats? He does not like to eat homemade cooked food like dal, rice, vegetables and roti. He doesn't like homemade food. The only thing he finds tasty are chips, burger, pizza and soft drinks from the market. So he only eats these chips, burger. So what kind of food are yes, he like very good fifth class. So he likes only junk food. Okay, so do you think both are taking proper food? Do you think? No. Neither Rashmi is taking proper food, neither Kailash is taking proper food. Both are taking unhealthy. Rashmi is not getting food. Please mute yourself. Fifth A and B. I will count 3 and mute yourself. 3, 2, 1. Mute yourself. Rashmi is not getting food in a whole day and Kailash is eating and he has become fat and flabby. So he is only eating junk food. Now tell me, what do you mean by proper food? They both are not getting proper food. What do you think? What is a proper food?
Ma'am, proper food means eating healthy.
One by one, Praharshita is saying one. Please. Proper Praharshita. Okay, tell the answer, Praharshita. What do you mean by proper food?
By eating proper food means to eat healthy food and get all the vitamins.
Yes, good. Very good. Proper food means the food that has all the nutrients. All the nutrients in proper amount. What do you mean by nutrients? Nutrients are carbohydrates, fat, vitamins, proteins. Every nutrient you should have in proper amount. Okay, what is proper amount? Proper amount means balanced amount. We also call proper food as balanced diet. What do you call it? Balanced diet. Balanced diet is a diet which is good in all the nutrients, which has proper amount of nutrients. Nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, proteins and water. Water is very important nutrient. Okay, so we should always drink more and more water, and your food should always be in proper amount with your nutrients. So why do you think Rashmi could not eat one roti in a whole day? What was the reason she could eat only one roti? What do you think?
She had no strength.
Sorry, who will answer? Fifth B, Dinesh. Dinesh,
Ma'am, because she is poor and cannot get enough food every
Swapna
day.
God, stop
Dinesh,
presenting.
Dinesh.
Stop presenting,
Ma'am,
beta.
she do not get enough, ma'am.
Sorry, she did not.
She did not get enough food, ma'am.
She did not get enough food. Okay. What can be the other reason? Is Rashmi is very poor. She is not that much rich to get the proper food. She is very poor. She didn't have enough money to buy proper. So that's why she is not able. She is able to eat only one roti. Okay. Next is,
Lottie or lies.
do you think Kailash would like games and sports? Kailash is very fat and flabby. Do you think he would be liking games and sports?
No, ma'am.
No,
Yes, ma'am.
because fatty people doesn't like games and sports. They do not. He like only watching television. He watches only TV. So he doesn't like games and sport because he is not very energetic and active. He is not active, neither he is energetic. So he would.
She is very fat.
He is fat, so he would not like games and sports. What do you mean by proper food? Proper food, as I told you, which are rich in all the
Madam,
nutrients.
your presentation stopped.
Okay, sir. Wait, let me.
Have to resume your presentation.
Okay, sir. Who was presenting in between? I am
You have to
resuming.
resume.
Sir, yes.
Yes, resume.
Yes.
Resume.
Okay. Can you see now? 5th A and B. And kindly mute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself.
No, ma'am.
Mute yourself. 5, 4.
Ma'am, only your screen is visible.
Sir, wait. Is it visible
Only
now?
your screen is visible.
Is it visible
Yes,
now?
now.
Okay.
Yes, okay.
So, last question
Yes,
is, why do you think that food of Rashmi and Kailash was not proper? Because Kailash was eating only junk food and Rashmi was not that much rich to get proper food. So, she was.
Only one.
Yes, Rashmi was very poor and Kailash, though he was rich, but he was not taking good food. Please mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Stop talking, beta.
Now next question is find out. Talk with
Stop
your
talking between the class.
grandparents.
Okay, what happened to you? Nothing.
5th A and B.
Do alert. Everybody.
I am saying again 3, 2, 1. Just mute yourself. 3, 2, 1. Just mute yourself. Don't let me repeat this. In every session, I have to say this. Don't let me repeat this.
Ma'am, only 10 minutes are there, ma'am.
10 minutes are there with us, so let me complete this in 10 minutes. Kindly
Don't
mute
remind
yourself.
us. We know, na. We know that.
Just
don't remind us.
mute
Don't
yourself.
tell your teacher.
Mute yourself.
Please.
Talk with your grandparents or elderly people and find out what they ate and what work did when they were of your age. So, today you find out from your grandparents what kind of food they would be eating at their time when they would be of your age. What food did they eat? What kind of activity? Daily activities and daily diet. Find it yourself and tell me in next EVS session what did you come to know. This is your homework part. Okay. Find out from your grandparents what kind of activities they did when they were of your age. Okay. And your diet. Yes.
Ma'am, ये पे ही लिखना, ma'am.
You don't have to write this. Just find it out and tell me orally. Okay.
Ma'am, they
नहीं लिखना नहीं है अभी लिखना नहीं है. मैं लिखने का बताऊंगी इस सेशन के बाद. अभी लिखना नहीं है. ठीक है. Okay. Come to next. Proper food. Every child's right. You have read about two children. One is Kailash, who does not like homemade food. The other one is Rashmi, who does not even get one proper meal a day. About half the children in our country Half of the children are like Rashmi. Half of the children are very poor. They didn't get enough food. They do not get enough food that they need to grow and develop properly. So half, please mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Stop singing.
Mute
Stop
yourself.
singing.
In our country,
Not your music class.
half of the children are very poor. Half of the children are very poor. They didn't have proper food enough. They don't have enough food. Please mute yourself. Fifth A and B. Sir, please kindly, sir, mute them. Sir, mute them. If they are, mute them. These children are weak and thank you, sir. These children are weak and sickly, often ill in poor health. But it is right of every child to get proper food. In our country, this is the right of every child to get proper food. Most of the children in our country are very poor. They didn't get proper food to eat. Okay. Now this is the last page of our chapter. I'll complete it fast and then I'll give you the homework. Don't worry about the homework, you will get. Homework will be given after the session. So don't ask this
Don't ask
again and again.
Homework.
I'll give you homework part also. So this is the last page. This is a story. Read about the story in Kalahandi district in Odisha. Odisha, a district named as Kalahandi district. Now this is a story of Gomti, a person. Gomti is 30 years old. Gomti works in the fields of rich farmer. For all her hard work, she gets paid very little. She gets very little money for all the hard work. So little that she cannot even buy enough rice to feed her family. So she didn't have enough rice to feed her family members. Some months she does not get any work at all. Then she has to eat leaves and roots from the jungle. So what does she eat? Leaves and roots. When she doesn't have any work, she is eating roots and leaves from the jungle. Gomti's children are weak with hunger and always sick. So they are always sick because they are very poor. They are not that much rich to get they are not having money, so they can't buy proper food. That's why their children are starving with hunger. They always starve with hunger and always get sick. Few years ago her husband died of hunger. So what happened to her husband? Died of hunger. Most rice grows in Kalahandi district. Rice is even sent to other states from here. Many times the rice that keeps lying in the godowns gets spoiled. Now you would notice this line. The rice is kept in godowns and it gets spoiled, but it's not reaching the people, poor people. We are not able to give this rice to poor people, but we are spoiling it. Do you think spoiling food is good? Wasting is good. So we should, for these kind of people, for the poor people, we should always stop food wastage. You should always stop food wastage. Never waste your food. If you don't want to eat, give it to a person who is very poor. Okay. I have seen you in last year in recess. All of you have thrown, most of the children throw your rice, whether it is floor or in dustbin. And that time also I used to say you no need to waste this food. Give it to someone who is starving with hunger. Okay. So never waste your food. Like in godowns, the rice gets spoiled and it is wasted. Else we can do it, we can send these rice to the poor people. In the same Kalahandi, there are many poor people like Gomti. Why do people die of hunger in such a place? Why do they die of hunger? Because they are very poor. They live in slum area. They are नहीं लिखना
मैम लिखना
अभी नहीं लिखना मैं आपको दूंगी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं लिखने अभी दिस इज जस्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट
लिखना नहीं लिखना
I'll tell you
ना टीचर will tell you
after this class you will get after this class you will get the question answers. Just note it down in your notebook. Okay. Next, last part is left. Do you know any child who does not get enough to eat in whole day? What are the reasons for this? The reasons for this, because the people who live in slum area or are beggars. They are very poor. They don't have enough money to get food, and that's why they are not able to eat enough in a whole day. ठीक है? समझ आ रहे हैं यहाँ तक? Fifth AB. Am I clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you ever seen a godown where a lot of grain has been stored? You would have seen godowns where why we use godowns? Godowns are places where you store extra food which is left, so you store it in godowns. Okay. So
Ma'am, what is godown?
godown is a place where we store extra food like grains, potatoes, grains, these which are left, they are stored in potatoes, rice, grains, they are stored in godowns. Okay. Next, what we have learned, last part is, okay, why this you will tell me. All of you can unmute yourself. I will take the name, you will answer this question. Why can you not taste food properly when you have a cold? Tell me this answer. Fifth A, Fiona. Fiona,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me first answer. Why can you not taste food properly when you have a cold?
Ma'am, our time is over.
What did you say,
Others,
ma'am?
Please mute.
stop talking.
Others, mute
stop
yourself.
talking.
Fiona, answer this. Why can you not taste food properly?
understand.
Why
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
am I?
Your voice is not visible, ma'am.
Please mute yourself, then only I be audible. Mute yourself. Why can you not taste food properly when you have a cold? When you have a cold, why can't you taste food at that time? Fiona, can you see this question?
And we don't feel well in our stomach, so we cannot taste
If you okay, the answer she is giving, you are not feeling good at your stomach, so you are not able to taste the food. Okay, next okay, fifth B. Sanvi is here. Fifth B. Sanvi,
Yes.
say yes if you can hear me. Sanvi. Fifth A and B. Sanvi is here. Fifth A and B, can you listen to me? Just say yes or no. Can you listen?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay. So, Sanvi, is she listening?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Fiona said,
I will tell.
Fiona has given answer that they during. Okay, just listen to me. I am
I
answering.
will tell.
Who will tell me the answer?
Ma'am,
Tell me the okay.
Question, ma'am.
Why can you not taste food properly when you have a cold? When you have cold, why don't you taste food properly? Arushi is here. Arushi.
ma'am.
Arushi.
Trinesh is raising.
Trinesh. I can't see if anyone is giving your name. Trinesh.
Ma'am, Arushi is here.
Trinesh. Give the answer.
Trinesh.
Yes, ma'am. Trinesh is there.
Okay, so rest, mute yourself, and Trinesh will unmute. Trinesh, answer this. Why can you not taste food properly when you have a cold?
He left the meeting.
You are not. Who is saying? What are you saying? Repeat.
Okay, just stop yawning.
Okay.
वॉकर ने बोला था मैम
जी.
युवा का बोला था.
You want to answer this? Yuva.
Don't feel to eat, ma'am.
Okay, answer this. Yuva is answering. Why can you not taste food properly when you have a cold? Fiona has given one answer because we don't feel good, so we can't taste food properly. Do you agree with this answer? Yuva. So do you think?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you think if we have cold, we don't feel this is okay? We don't feel good at that time, but
We can't taste.
but the reason is 1 minute. But the reason is when you get cold, your nose get blocked. Your nose is blocked, and your sense of smell helps you to get the taste.
And we cannot.
Yes, if you can't smell, with the smell also you get the taste of the food. Okay. Now last, if we were to say that digestion begins in the mouth, how would you explain this? How does digestion start in mouth? This I have explained you. First you chew the food with the teeth and then saliva in the mouth. Wait, 1 minute is there. I have to give
क्लास
homework.
हो गया है, बार बार बोल रहा है, कोई क्लास हो गया है. रोशनी आ गई.
Wait.
Ma'am, the voice is starting. I can't understand.
Okay.
Don't tell
This
me again क्लास हो गया है.
chapter is over for now. Listen, 5th A and B. Chapter is over for now. Now listen the homework part. One
Your voice is talking. I can't understand.
homework. Listen the homework. Listen the homework. One question I have given you for homework is find out from your grandparents what did they eat and what activity they did when they were of your age. Okay. Next, today I will give you the question answer and then write it part. Now you can leave the class. Class is over. Everyone, WhatsApp में आपको homework मिल जाएगा. WhatsApp में homework मिल
Mute
जाएगा.
yourself, everybody. Everybody mute yourself. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes, madam.
Okay, so for now you can leave. Homework is you have to find out from
Don't
your
leave the class. Wait for 2 minutes.
you have to find out from your grandparents what kind of activity, what kind of food they eat when they were of your
I
age. Okay?
said stop talking.
Stop talking and listen. फिर आप बोलते हो कि मैडम आपकी आवाज स्ट्रक हो रही है. स्ट्रक क्यों नहीं होगी? आपको सुनने की आदत नहीं है ना. You don't have the habit to listen to teachers. So listen, I have given you one question for the homework. Just find it out and tell me in the next EVS class. Okay? And for next is I'll give you question and answers after the session. Kindly write it in your notebooks. If you have any doubt in any question, just you can ask me personally. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so for now the class is over.
Tomorrow is your EVS.
Okay,
Tomorrow is your work experience class, na?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen. Tomorrow 2 classes are there. First is WorkX. First is WorkX. Second is English. So be ready with your English homework. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I will see the notebooks.
Listen, everybody.
I will see English
Tomorrow is
notebooks.
your stop. Don't
Mute yourself.
Listen carefully.
Mute yourself.
Listen carefully and mute yourself. Tomorrow is your work experience class. Well, what we will continue with your maths class, okay?
Sir.
Okay, because we need more periods to understand the concept. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow is your next chapter will be there, and the next chapter is how many spheres. Okay. Be ready with that. Okay. Now you can leave.
Okay.
Now you can leave.
Now-
Show me your thumb and leave the class.
Please give your attendance. 50 students were there in the class. 50. Please give your attendance. Bye. Give your attendance.
Janani, if you are listening to me, please respond. Janani. Yes, you can leave now. Show me your thumb and leave. Janani. जननी प्रेजेंट थी मैम आज.
जननी प्रेजेंट थी सर. जननी प्रेजेंट थी.
नाम क्या है उसका इसमें?
I
बाय।
think she would have left. उसने छोड़ दिया होगा. Bye bye.
She left the class also.
Bye,
Bye,
Okay, bye
sir.
bye.
bye,
Leave the
ma'am.
class.
Okay. Who is this Maltum Kumar Ramachandar? Who is this Maltumkar Ramchandra? Please leave the class. 5th A and B.
Okay, ma'am.
Leave the class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye bye. Leave the
Bye,
class.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Class and leave channel. और मैं डेली क्लास को अटेंड कर रहा, मेरा नाम क्यों नहीं आ रहा?
43. Yesterday, Raghavendra, you left the class, so that's why your attendance for yesterday is not there. You left the class. Okay? Those who will leave the class in between, they will not be given attendance. You have to remain for the whole session, whole class. Okay? So now you can leave and give your attendance to me in the WhatsApp group. Okay?
Himanshi, ma'am. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Leave, remove yourself. Fast, remove yourself.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye, remove yourself. Kaveri, Roshni, Deepa, Nitish, just remove yourself.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye, just remove yourself. Roshni, Raghavendra, Kaveri, remove yourself. Kindly end your session. Roshni and Kaveri, please end your session and go. Roshni, Kaveri, please close this. Kaveri, please end your connection. Kaveri, leave the class.